Okay, so for our next topic, we will learn how to create paragraphs in HTML. But before we can start coding, let's first try to create an HTML file. So let's now start try to create an HTML file. Okay, so I'm going to right click on my window. I don't know if you can see it, but a menu bar will be popping out. Then click, just select text document. Okay. So let's try to rename the file as exercise underscore 03. Then let's try to change its extension to .html. Again, you will be asked, just click yes. Okay. Then next is let's try to edit our exercise underscore 03.html in our Notepad++. So I can right click, then you have here edit with Notepad++. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I've already opened it on my Notepad++. So let's now start coding. So again, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create an HTML template. HTML head. Then we have here HTML. Okay. Let's try to put the title as HTML paragraphs. Okay. Now, we will also be using heading 1 from our previous tutorial. So H1, try to rename it as HTML paragraphs. Okay. Now, usually, if it's a paragraph, it should be inside your P tag. P. Okay. So, let's say this is just again a sample text. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs near the river bank. All I have to do is just copy because I'm too lazy to type it all. Okay, let's try to arrange our text in such a way that it will just fit on the visible window. Okay. Let's try to preview our work this time, our paragraphs. Again, let's try to click run. Then we have here launch in Firefox. Okay, so let's try to view defaults. Okay, so this is already our the contents of our HTML file. So we have here HTML paragraphs, which is our heading 1. Then we have the content of our HTML file. So let's say, for example, we want to add some more text. We want to create another paragraph. Okay, so try to go back to our code. All you have to do again is just, again, I'm being too lazy to rewrite it all over again or to type it all over again. All I have to do is just copy and paste. Okay, then go back to our Firefox. By the way, when you have already created your HTML file and you already have launched your default browser or the browser of your choice, you don't need to redo the steps by clicking run, then selecting the browser. All you have to do is just try to open the browser and just reload the page. Now, if you want to reload the page, all you have to do is just click the reload button, or if you want to use your keyboard, you can just press F5 on your keyboard. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to use F5. So there's our second paragraph already. Okay, so this is our first paragraph and this is our second paragraph.